Hi, good afternoon. Ngayon ay Thursday. Bukas ay importanteng araw para sa akin. Kaya ako ay nagpapahinga ngayon kasi tomorrow kailangan okay na okay ako. Kasi bukas sisimulan ang treatment sa akin. This is a new treatment for me. Hindi ko muna sasabihin lahat-lahat. Tingnan ko kung bukas pwede ko nang sabihin. Parang experimental pa naman to. But we are hoping for the best na makatulong to sa akin. Kaya ngayon ay, kasi ngayon medyo hinihika ako kanina. Pero kaya si husband hindi pumasok kasi binabantayan niya ako. Kaya bukas ay maaga kami dahil nga sa aking treatment. So, titingnan ko kung pwede kong i-document yon pag ako ay ginamot. Pero kung hindi man, ay i-explain ko na lang sa inyo o ipapakita na lang yan in the coming days. Okay? So, bukas uli, ako ay nagmimerienda ngayon. Nagpabili ako kay husband kanina ng merienda namin. So, ito ang kinakain ko ngayon. Yan, binili niya ako ng cassava cake kanina. Hindi nga maganda ngayon, parang hindi siya yung, parang flat, hindi yung katulad dati. Pero okay na rin, masarap naman yung lasa niya. Sabi niya, mahal nga, para pala siyang $11 or $12 ito. Ayan. Kain lang ako ng merienda. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. So, ito na yung pinakapagkain ko. Hindi ko naman yan ubusin, no? Ayan. So, bukas uli, ha? Kita-kita tayo. Ito na, on the way na kami sa aking first treatment ng injection of Nucala. Crossing my fingers, hoping for the best. Sandali lang naman daw yun. Sandali lang injectionan, pero it will take about 30 to 1 hour. Siguro mag-wait ako doon. Okay.
Yeah, like we can always share this one as well. And then even for charting, like you can just, how it automatically dismisses with the nurse's name, we can just do like a slash of both of our names. So that we Okay, so again, this is how it comes. You're checking the expiry, making sure it's you, that is you. Yep. And the expiry is 03/2027. Okay. This is how it comes. Okay, and we're looking in there. See that little bubble in there? That's the one I was talking about. It should float.
Yeah, that's one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so no problem. But it's clear. There's nothing wrong with that. So
do I have to do that?
Okay. So again, 1, 2, anywhere in here. So I'm gonna go right there. So you're always going inside, bigger, bigger, bigger. Okay. Now you don't have to necessarily put a Band-Aid on if you don't want. That's fine. We do because it's best practice, yeah. Right? Sometimes when you pull the cap, off, you want to be you want to try and really pull it out straight because the needle is so small and fragile that it can bend, which is, again, it happens. If it was a bent needle, they would send you another dose, okay? So nice little pinch here. I'm going to put the window for you so you can see. 1, 2, 3.
Lots of paper. Oh, yeah.
So right about halfway through, it starts a bit of pressure. Okay. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait for that second click. 1, 2, 3. Let go.
So I have to count 1, 2, 3 before I...
Yeah, once you hear that second click, you just go 1, 2, 3. And that little extra bit that came out, no problem at all.
Yeah.
And then sometimes, like I said, you might bleed, you might make a capillary.
Oh yeah, same with them.
Yeah, same. Sometimes you're like, oh, wait a second. But most of the time you don't. Okay, so there you go. So that is 9:25, we'll say. So we'll get you out just before 10.
Okay.
All right.
Kakain muna kami kasi mag-12 na rin, pero yung kakainan namin sarado pa. Ito yung lagi namin pinupuntahan na kainan. So, medyo pagod yung pakiramdam ko. Tapos, hindi na papasok si husband kasi request. Inano din naman doon na magstay muna siya sa akin kasi minsan yung reaction matagal bago umano. So at least asa bahay lang kami, tapos matagal, minsan daw 2 days bago completely lumabas yung reaction, pero yung iba okay naman. Ayun, sa ngayon I feel very tired. But that's okay kung yun lang yung reaction ng gamot. Medyo masakit yung injection, pero kayang-kaya kung ito naman ay makakapagpagaling talaga sa akin. Sarado pa. Ilan na nagtatangkang bumukas ng pinto. O yan, o. Ayan, ngayon palang bubuksan. Ayan, o. Hindi mga nagtitinda yun. O yan, bukas na.
Hindi na.
Ayan, bababa na kami. Naiihi na ako. Ayan, so na-oven ko na ang embutido. Ayan, pauna lang kasi tinry ko uli yung gawa ko. Tapos eto nabuksan ko na. Yan yung laman. Bawas na ito So meron, ganito kalalaki siya, supposedly. Ayan. Sa ngayon, hindi pa siguro i-sell ito kasi hindi pa ito yung tamang ingredients. I actually use cranberry instead of the raisins. Kaya medyo may asim siya because of the cranberry. Ayan. So, ito, medyo meron kaming bibigyan for free taste. Hindi naman isa-isang buong ganito. Yung iba naman ay ulam namin. Iyon. Ayan. So, this is our ulam for lunch. Nagpa-fry ako ng embutido na niluto ko kagabi. Ako, sumobra na ang luto. Diba nga? Sinahan natin. Ayan. Pwede rin siyang yung may nagturo sa amin, i-dip siya sa eggs. Yung beaten eggs, tapos at saka ito fry. Okay. And then, ito na yung rice, initin na, tapos meron ng ketchup and hot sauce. Pero ako ketchup lang, si husband gusto hot sauce.